Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to schedule a call on WhatsApp. Here's how to do it. So with a new update, you can now schedule a call on WhatsApp. Go to your WhatsApp app and click on the call icon. You're going to see an option that said schedule call. Now what you have to do is to click on the time. You can set the time you want to initiate the call. You can also set a future date if you want. You can select the type of call you want, video or voice. You can set an end date. Let's say I want to make a call by 5 p.m. You can just set it. When you are done with the settings, you click on the send button and it's going to initiate the call when the time comes. That's how to schedule a call on WhatsApp. That's all for this video. See you guys in the next one.